Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to the channel and welcome to this video. This video is going to be part of a series of videos, and in this video we are going to be talking about database. But before I begin, please make sure that you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and then make sure you share it to fellow students and anyone who wants to learn about database. All right, welcome back to the video. And before I begin, please make sure that you have subscribed to the channel so that when I upload videos in the future, you can also get notified. All right, so before I proceed, you should by now know what database is. You should know what database management software is. You should know at least an example of a database management software. You should know the components of database, what database actually made up of. Also, you should know how to use your database management software to create database and stuff like that. But if you are new or you are now starting, I'm going to summarize a few things about database that I think you should know for now. The basics you should know for now, and then we can move on from there. Okay, so what is a database? A database is an organized collection of information that has been stored and can easily be accessed, can easily be managed, and also can easily be updated. So don't forget that definition. You can pause it and then go back and listen to it again. So what is a database management software? So simple. A database management software is a software which helps you and I to manage our database. A database management software simply is a software or a tool that helps you and I manage our database. Also, a database management software is an interface that helps you and I create, manage, and also update our database. What are some of the components of a database? So there are a few components. Some of the components of a database include data, the hardware, the software, and then the SQL, the program. Okay, so do not forget these things. So if you are a beginner, you should by now know what a database is. You should know what database management softwares are, and then you should know what consists of database or what are some of the components of a database. Okay, thank you. So right now we are going to learn how to create our database. An example of a database management software is Microsoft Access. So before I proceed, make sure that you already have Microsoft Access installed on your computer because we are using the computer to create the database.